Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So today's video, I'm very excited about this one, is a chocolate pudding. It's protein sparing, it's really easy to make, it doesn't require boiled eggs, which is the famous Maria Emmerich recipe, which I wanted to try, but then I was like, what the hell am I gonna do with 10 cooked yolks? So then my mom actually randomly sent me this recipe, which is someone made the recipe of someone else, so I actually don't know who is the original owner of this recipe. But yeah, it's a protein sparing egg white chocolate pudding. It's so chocolatey, so easy to make, comes together really fast, simple ingredients, easy to remember, so yeah, very exciting. But let me tell you how to make this and what we need for it. So really easy to remember. You need 100 grams of egg whites, 100 grams of water, 14 grams of cacao powder and a sweetener of your choice. So what you're gonna do is place the 100 grams of egg whites, 100 grams of water and cacao powder into a saucepan, and then you're going to cook the liquid for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Keep stirring until it's like a thick gloop is formed. You can keep cooking it more than that if you want it thicker, like pudding. And as you're going to see, there's going to be lots of lumps, but that's totally normal and totally unavoidable. What you're going to do is with a stick blender, you're going to blend the pudding up to make it nice and smooth. Alternatively, you can put it into a food processor or anywhere that you can get it nice and smooth. But if you don't mind the lumps, you can leave it with the lumps. Then you place it in the recipe video. I made double the recipe, that's why you see more stuff. But yeah, you place it into your container of choice. Can be a glass, can be a mug, can be anything you want basically, and then you place it into the fridge, ideally overnight, so it becomes nice and thick and solid. Then for purpose of this video, I put a little bit of double cream and raspberries just as a decoration, but I've been having it totally without. Yeah, what I forget to mention is that then you add the sweetener of your choice while it's cooking or even after, up to you, and then you keep tasting it, making sure it's just sweet enough, but you don't want it like sickly sweet. Nowadays I'm avoiding sugar alcohols as much as possible because of my gut health, so I'm actually usually doing stevia with a tiny bit of honey, just to avoid too many sweetness, and we can't get allulose here in the UK, so I put like 1 teaspoon of honey for 2 puddings and some stevia, so it's not that bad at all, but you can do any sweetener of your choice. But here you have, look at it, it's so chocolatey, so thick. I'm gonna give you a taste. I think you can give it to anyone and they won't know in a million years. It only has like 100 grams of egg whites and a little bit of cacao powder. So the macros for this recipe is of course no fat because we didn't add any. And then we have 14 grams of protein and 2 grams of carbs. And 95 calories, so 95 calories for the whole thing. I think it's amazing. Of course, if you're adding the double cream on top, you need to add that on top. I didn't measure it. It's like about a tablespoon of whipped double cream. But yeah, I think it's so good. Like, you can have it for breakfast, you can have it as a dessert, even if you're having like guests over, if you make them that with whipped cream and all that, it's going to feel like such an indulgent dessert. Like it tastes almost like a mousse or something like that. So like I really want you to try this one because it's so good and so easy to make. It only takes like 10 minutes. You can batch cook it, you can make like 5 of them and then have it for the week. And yeah, that's about it. I am so excited for you to try this recipe. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this content, please maybe subscribe to the channel if you wish. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.